let's begin on the side of the hand. I want to start my own business. I have really good ideas, but I have a lot of fear about starting a business. I have a lot of self-doubt. What if it doesn't work out? What if I fail? That will make me a failure. I don't want to be a failure. It's safer not to try, because then I won't fail. Even though I have fears and doubts about starting a business, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. All right, now we're going to start tapping through the points. I dream of having a successful business. I dream of having sold out offers. But all of that seems out of reach for now. I just can't see that possibility for me. I have all these fears and doubts about starting a business. I feel like it won't be successful. I feel nobody will buy from me. I'm feeling like a failure even before I have begun. It feels overwhelming and uncertain. All these uncertainties about starting a business. All these fears and doubts surrounding my business. I acknowledge all of them. I give myself permission to feel this way. These fears and doubts are a part of my journey, but they do not define my potential for success. I'm open to releasing these limiting beliefs today. I don't have to force myself to feel completely okay right now. But I can choose to believe that these limiting beliefs are just a part of my old story. So I'm ready to let them go now. Releasing these fears and doubts from every cell in my body. Releasing the fear of failure. Because no matter what happens, I'm going to be okay. Even if my business fails, I'm still a good person. I trust in my ability to handle anything and everything. I can do hard things. Today, I choose to write a new story. A story where success comes easily to me. I'm capable of creating a successful business. I have unique skills and talents. I know my offers are amazing and their value is incredible. I know this business can fulfill me while serving others. It can make a huge impact to the world. So I choose to trust that the universe has my back. I'm not doing this alone. The universe loves to see me succeed. And I know the universe will help me create offers that sell out every single time. I always attract the right customers who need my offers. My business is growing and thriving. My success is inevitable. There is no going back. This is my reality now. I'm a founder of a successful business. This is just who I am. I'm grateful for all the abundance flowing into my life, for all the money flowing into my business. I trust myself and I celebrate all of my successes right now. I hope that helps. You can do that as many times as you want until it feels neutral for you to put yourself out there, put your offers out there, and you know that you will create offers that sell out every single time and that it's safe for you to be a successful business person. All right? I love you. Thank you for tapping along with me, and I'll see you in the next video.